Alex, and I'm teaching the Blender 3D course this semester, and I'm super excited to get into it. We're going to learn all about Blender 3D and how to take it from a simple cube like this, and how to create your own custom environments, props, characters. We're going to learn about the different modifiers in Blender to make symmetrical models versus organic stuff, and all the different tool sets and hotkeys that go into making models in Blender. We can make custom characters and rig them up so that you can operate them like a puppet and move the arms and legs around. We can get into keyframe animations and ultimately how to export those models for a game engine like Unity or Godot so that you kind of have a packaged, finished set of assets that you made in Blender and you can use for whatever you want. And I'm very excited to be teaching it and excited to meet all of you.